you facing difficulties when attempting to install or download apps on your iPhone after a recent update? If you are facing a problem downloading apps from the App Store, don't worry. Here are top 5 solutions to fix this problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. You can try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, you can enable airplane mode, or you can switch your network. Solution 2. Turn off the restriction on. Open Setting, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Turn off this option. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. Open the App Store, tap on your profile picture and choose Sign Out. After signing out, sign back with your Apple ID and password. This can refresh your account information and potentially resolve any authentication issues. Solution 4. Check available storage space. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General and select iPhone storage. Here, you can check the available space and free up some storage if needed by deleting unnecessary files or apps. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Choose Reset network settings. Hope this video was helpful. Now, if you have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.